Hi friends, Haley here and welcome back to another YouTube video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the perfect base. This is how I do my base. You can do your base however you want, but this is how I'm going to show you how I do mine. First of all, you want to start with a primer. I'm starting with the Pore Fessional by Benefit. I only take a little amount. I really like that much. Pea size. I already have my eye makeup on. I prefer to start with eye makeup and then put on foundation or your base, I guess. So then I like to do that on like the T-zone, but then with the rest of my face, I'm doing it with the Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser by Maybelline on the rest of the face. Same thing, but this is clearer and cheaper and bigger, so. So here's the thing I learned from J.Cat is where you put setting powder before your foundation. She claims it would add more coverage and make you use little amounts of your foundation. I only did this technique once, so I just want to try it again. Get your damp beauty blender, your setting powder, and go to town. So now that we're officially in As She Goes, now you want to get your foundation. I am using the Superstay Full Coverage Foundation by Maybelline in the shade 330 and Toffee Caramel. One pump. Dust off the excess. So I'm using the True Match Illuminator Liquid Glow from Loreal in Rose, I guess, and mix that in. A squirt of that. So now I'm gonna add my brush and voila. So now that's all blend in with a brush. We're gonna go with our beauty blender and just make this look like airbrush. So now you got your foundation. Then I go in with another foundation. You don't have to do this, but I get a cushion. This is from J.Cat Beauty. It's a Korean place, and I got caramel. 2, 3, 4, 5 product. It's like very pinky. But like I also bought this online, so I couldn't really tell you the colors. I wore this on my birthday and it looked fabulous. Now we're gonna put on the concealer. The Maybelline one. I like doing this. There's another trick that J.Cat taught me. Get your contour, put on your cream contour. So a trick J.Cat taught me is to blend your contour first and then your concealer, because if you blend in your concealer first, you won't get as much coverage as it is dried down. So now, my baking powder is the Revolutions Electrious baking powder and banana. This is what baking is basically. It says it right there.
Cook powder over base foundation or concealer, giving you a flawless finish. Well, you know we're flawless.
We just make the gonna be more flawless. So we're gonna bake.
So, I'll just go use like get it around the nose, through the nose. Next, to the wall everywhere. I would recommend to very dry skin people. This will definitely take away the moisture in your arm, honestly. So basically, you can bake for like how long? Alexa, set timer for 5 minutes.
Now you want to get your blush. I get the Tarte blush and Paaarty.
I love blush, honestly. Maybe these are my two favorite. My only ones, actually. This one and the e.l.f. Cosmetics one.
So now my favorite part, highlight. So use my Anastasia Glow Kit. We're gonna go with butterscotch today. Oh, you get your setting spray, and then you just spray this. So with a tinier brush, like a pencil brush, and I would highlight your nose and inner corner and brow bone with. So now I like to get my next setting spray. This is my Holy Grail. So this is my secret when getting dewy skin. So that's that. My base all finished. I'm gonna quickly fix everything up, add some lippity doodads, and we'll be done. So we're all done. This is the base, all dewy and fresh. This is how I like it. Make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, and when you subscribe, don't forget to hit the bell next to it, and make sure you follow my social media account. My Instagram one is Haley Does Makeup 2018. Make sure you follow that. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. Like if you want more tutorials or like how to do this, and I'll get to you. So bye.